Hi everyone, I hope you are all safe and healthy with your family and friends. In this video, we are going to learn about 11th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 7, Subsidiary Books, 2 Cash Book, Exercise Sum 4. Enter the following transactions in cash book with discount and cash column of Anand. So before we are going to enter the given transaction into the double column cash book, we need to prepare the title and format of the double column cash book. Okay, the title of the cash book is in the books of Anand, cash book with discount and the cash column. The double column cash book are divided into two parts, that is the debit side means debtor and credit side, right hand side we called as credit or debit side has 4 columns, credit side also has 4 columns. So first we see the debit side, date, receipts, LF amount are divided into 2 columns, that is discount allowed rupees and the cash rupees, and credit side also have the same except one, date, payments, LF amount are divided into 2 parts, that is discount received rupees and the cash. Listen here, debit side has the receipts and discount allowed, and creditor, which means credit side has payments and discount received rupees. Okay, let's see the transaction one by one. First transaction is 2017 December 1, cash in hand. We know cash in hand means opening balance of the cash book. Always we have to enter the opening balance of the cash book into the debit side. So dated on 2017 December 1, to balance brought down 19,500. To balance brought down means opening balance of the cash book. Always we enter the opening balance of the cash book in the debit side. Okay. Next transaction is December 4, sold goods for cash, rupees 32,000. What is the journal entry for sold goods for cash? Cash account data to sales account, because whenever you generate sales, you received cash, you received income. Okay, so you received cash means your cash account increases, we debited the cash account. So you go to debit side, which means receipt side. You received income means you go to receipt side, dated on December 4. What is the opposite account from the cash account? Sales account. So you have to write to sales account. Always we started the word to on the debit side. So to sales account, how much rupees? 32,000. Then up to December 5, credit purchases from gone with 20,000 rupees. So listen here, what this transaction tells us. This transaction tells us this is the credit purchases. We won't never ever enter the credit related transaction into the cash book. We only always enter the cash related transaction in the cash book. So we need to omit this transaction. Let's see the another transaction. December 9, received from Gopu 11,800, discount allowed to him 200. Received from Gopu means received. We directly go to the receipt side. To whom we received? From Gopu. Okay, so we have to enter the name of the person in the receipt column. Dated on December 9 to Gopu. Because we received Gopu means we go to receipt side, name of the person from whom we received cash, from Gopu. We enter the Gopu name, Gopu's account here. How much rupees you received from Gopu? 11,800. So that 11,800 you have to enter into the cash column. Okay. Then listen here carefully. Discount allowed to him when you received from Gopu 11,800. At that time you allowed discount. Gopu allowed to you discount how much rupees? 200 rupees discount. So you have to enter that 200 rupees into the discount allowed column. Are you clear? Next, see the another transaction. December 15, cash paid for electricity charges 12,500. So listen here, paid means payment. You made payment for what? For electricity charges. So you go to payment side. Okay, so 2017 December 15, for what purpose you paid cash? for electricity charges. So you have to write by electricity charges account 12,500. You always started by with the word by on the credit side. So for what you made a payment, you made payment for electricity charges. So you have to write electricity charges account 12,500. Then December 17, bought computer and its accessories by cash. So you bought asset. Asset name is given here. So you take the asset name only, name of the asset only. Bought asset means expenses. Whenever you made expenses will be credited. Okay. So you go to credit side. That means payment side. Okay. So for what purpose you made the expenses? For computer, for purchasing computer. So on December 17, buy computer account 16,800. You have to enter into the cash column. Okay. Then December 25, paid cash to Gandhi rupees 19,700 in full settlement office account. Listen here. Paid cash to Gandhi means you made a payment to Gandhi. So you go to payment side. Okay. So later on 25 by December 25 by payment side. Okay. Because you made payment to Gandhi. To whom you made payment? To Gandhi. So you have to write the person's name, the payment side. Always started with the word by for the credit side. So by Gandhi account. How much rupees you made payment to Gandhi? 19,700. That amount you have to enter into the cash column. Okay. Listen here carefully. In full settlement office account, whenever you see the transaction full settlement, which means you received discount from that person. From whom? From Gandhi you received discount. So how much rupees you received discount? 300 rupees you received discount from Gandhi. How do you find? Listen here. Full settlement, the word is given here. What this word tells us? This word tells us which means full discount. Okay, discount received. How much rupees? 300 rupees you received discount. That 300 rupees you have to enter into the discount received column. Then December 28, received cash from Thiruvengadam rupees 8,900. Listen here carefully. Received means receipt side. Okay, you received cash because whenever you received cash, your cash account increased. Whenever your cash account increases, cash account will be debited. What is in debtor side? Receipt account. Okay, so received cash means you go to receipt column, receipt side, dated on 28, to whom you received cash from Thiruvengadam. So you have to write the name of the person in the receipt column, whose name is Thiruvengadam. Always started with 2 on debit side. So to Thiruvengadam account, how much rupees you received? 8,900 rupees. Okay, you entered that amount on the cash column. Then December 30, paid trade expenses in cash. So you made payment for trade expenses. Okay, through cash. Okay, how much rupees? 3,500 rupees. 3,500 rupees you made payment for what? For trade expenses. So payment means you go to payment side, which means expenses side. Okay, for what you made payment? For trade expenses. You have to write the name of the expenses, that is trade expenses. Always started with by on the credit side, dated on 30. How much rupees you made payment for trade expenses? 3,500 rupees. You have to enter that amount into the cash column. So all the given cash transaction we entered into the double column cash book. Okay, then what we do? We have to find the total. Which side has higher value? Always debit side. How much rupees? 72,200. So the same total we have to enter on the both the side. Okay, then we only balance for the cash column only. We no need to find balance for the discount column. We just find the total of the discount column is enough. So how much for discount allowed column? 300 rupees we enter discount allowed column, and discount received column also we have the 300 rupees we enter into the total column. Okay, we no need to find the balance for the discount column. We just find the total for the discount column. We need to find the balance for cash column only. In cash column we need to find the we should find the balances. Okay, so higher value we enter on the both the side. Then which side has lower value? Of course which side. Then we have the differences between the higher value and low value, less value. Okay, so how much rupees differences? 19,700. So that difference amount has to be entered into the less value column side, which means credit side. Okay, then that less value amount, that difference value is brought down to the opposite side, enter in below the total. Okay, and in date against this balance brought down used to be entered. Okay, against this in total column, in date column, the first day of the next accounting period is entered, that is 2018 January 1. This is the first accounting period for the first day of the next accounting period. Okay, so this is the opening balance of the next accounting period. Okay, so do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Thank you. Take care.